Hello everyone out there watching Reckless Eating. I am your host A3K. For this edition of Wii Shorts, we're going to be trying Wonka Exceptionals. This is a scrumdiddlyumptious bar.
We tried that on a cock back in the day.
We did, but this is in the bigger bar form.
It's fresh too, so.
I'm so excited for this. Alright, so, oh wow, the wrapper's even like metallic on the inside. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so how's your day been, man?
It's, it's been pretty, there's some weird ass sounds that were a little earlier I thought I heard, but high school band over there and everything.
Oh, can't you like get like something to like block the window?
I'd like to shoot them.
Everyone would like to shoot them.
Yeah, I really like to shoot them.
People in band.
Nobody likes people in bands.
Oh, okay, so this is pretty cool. That's peanuts, toffee, your standard candy stuff.
What? Yeah, what? What?
Why are they playing this loud?
That? Oh, dude, I've heard that. Wait a minute. That's...
Wait, you hear it?
That viral video that's online?
I just seen that.
No.
No, this is the
No.
band.
It's got... Well, no, but it's... What time is it?
It's like almost 9.
They stop playing at 8. They're... Oh.
What the f?
Yeah, I'm getting...
Did you hear that?
I thought it was bullshit, though, because they proved that it's false online. Wait.
My grandma was saying that...
Wait, what?
Dude, it sounds like it's getting louder. What the f is that? Dude, I'm really scared right now, dude. Like, you don't even know.
Uh-oh. Wait a minute.
Oh, dude, that wing just really killed me right now. I just took a major crap in there. I wouldn't even go in there for like 10 minutes.
You son of a bitch.
What? What happened?
You scared the shit out of me right now.
I just took a shit.
Oh, you had me cracking up.
There's a time for reckless Andrew laughter, reckless eating fun for all.
Like riding the wings of an eagle, or soaring low across the sea. You can never explain those things to me, cause they all just fall right down. Until you see the way you can be. Reckless eating laughter now.
Reckless eating! Reckless eating!